I'm gonna go see where my brother is. La 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 lee la lee doo dee doo da 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 dee dum. Better get my boots on. Where are they? Oh yes, they're on the rack. Da 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 dum dee doo da 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 da. Man, why is it everything so laggy? Like, even my eyes feel like they're lagging. Am I drunk? Oh well, whatever. La da da dee doo. Oh man, it's chilly. I should have put my coat on. Oh well. La da da dee doo da dee da. I wonder if he's out here playing hockey. Nope. Where could he be? No, he's not over there. Why would he be over there anyway? I'll look over here. And is he? Oh, there he is. Yeah. I was just playing hockey, but I lost my ball. I threw my balls on here. I hid them underneath the deck. Well, I don't care, Noah. Good luck with that. Okay, well, I tried playing with that piece of snow, but it just broke. Well, yeah, Noah, that's what happens when you try to play hockey with snow. Goodbye now. Wait. I pooped in your underwear. I hate you, Noah. Now, goodbye.